Hi guys. Okay, so this lesson is here to try to explain you how to use TradingView and how to use it to your advantage and all the feature or most of the feature and so on. I will explain you everything that I found valuable in here and how to use it, which took me quite some time. So I will cut your learning by a lot, I think, by going to someone that shows you things one by one. Okay, so let's start from fresh. So first you go here to tradingview.com. I think you will have to register the first time. I've done it a long time ago. I don't remember right now. So then here you will choose your cryptos. Okay. So let's see that. Let's see. You can choose any of those, or you can type it in and then you can choose. You can type here like anything will come up, and then you will have to choose crypto, forex, and so on. Usually I choose crypto because it's easier, but normally if you put BTC, like, it will come anyway. So then you have various BTC you can choose from. Let's say BTC. Okay, this is the line. This is from where they come from. That's the one that is used by Bitstamp, Coinbase, Index, and so on. Okay, so it's up to you. It's your choice to use whichever you prefer. Some they go longer behind, some they go less, and so they got all advantages and disadvantages. I will use that because but the Binance one, because the other one I've used them and there is drawing, so this one is fresh, so you can use one for each time and then do different drawings and so on. So firstly, these are events. Okay, you click on them. Okay, they are future events on the 30 Fed press conference, from economy project, and so on. And you can scroll down. Those are very important because it's all event driven. Okay, retail sales, and so some have more importance than other. And here you can get all the news and informations. Okay, you can open them. So now, for me, the key is time frame. This is time frame. Okay, this is, you can choose daily, weekly, monthly, 3 monthly, hourly. You can go shorter in time frame. That is very advanced stuff, guys, what I'm about to show you. Okay, so you usually go on the daily. You have this picture, and here you can choose 5 years all time. So let's say all time. Okay, when you go all time, it moves automatically to monthly. Okay, and 5 year, when you put 5 years, it moves automatically to weekly. You will know it here. So if you want 1 year, yeah, so 1 year you are on daily. Always double check that. So this means that one of those line is 1 day. You can increase, you can expand, and you can retract, like with your mouse, like normally. Okay, so first, this lesson is about to learn how to use TradingView. I will go back to the other one which I usually use because it gives you an entire from day one. Okay, so let's go back to Binance. Is empty. There is too many drawings there. So this one candlestick is a monthly, and is 1 month. This is 1 month. What happened in 1 month? Green is basically, this is the opening, and this is the closing. So the closing was higher than the opening, and the red, what the opening was here, and then it got down. So it means that it went down. Those lines here, they are called shadows. Shadows means that the price reached at some point this high, and then it pulled back. So long shadows, they means uncertainty. Like the price tried, there was a war here between the bear and the bull, and the price went all the way down here, and then it was pulled back to here, and so on. The monthly gives you a good indication of where we're going. Okay, this is the monthly from day one. Okay, it clears out all the clutter, and here there was a change. Okay, and the same happen here. So now the daily has more confusion in it and is more about now, but then you can go down in time frame. You can go 4 hourly. Okay, 4 hourly, like it gives you a more quick sense of what's happening now. Some people they trade on an hourly, on a 30 minutes, on a minute. So if you change on a minute, this is literally what happened in 1 minute. So you can use it depending from how you want to trade. If you want to trade, I don't tend to trade very much in the sense that going in and out is too stressful and there is too much time involved, and I'm not interested. I try to find a gap and I try to enter. So I go more like on daily. Yeah, on daily. So what triggers those things? They are mostly event driven or cycles. Okay. So here then you will be able to use those tools to draw resistance of some sorts. Okay, we'll go into details later. If you go to historic times, anytime there is like this and this here was a top. Okay, so you could draw this was a top, this was the last top, is a big resistance. So this was the shadow, try to perforate this top, and there you can see those two, they're pretty much aligned on the line of this. They also try to perforate. There was another we can draw another resistance here if you want to. Okay. So for future reference, those tops, they are interesting. They're like, if we get to here, this will be a resistance, and if you break it, then it becomes a support. Means that then to go down is hard. It's hard to go down. You will be a kind of stuck on the top, and then you will need a lot of force to go down though, because they are big selling, and then they will become, if broken and we go on top, they will become big resistance, big buying. Okay, usually speaking. Um, you can use several tools. They are all here on the side. I think that is self-explanatory. You can use here. These are important. Wait, let me cancel. Yeah, you can add if you want indicators line, and so on. You can play with that. I use mostly candlesticks, very rarely lines, and sometimes I use this. Okay, here are all indicators. You can put other indicators: 24-hour volume, stochastic, optimized trends. 24 hours volume gives you an idea how much selling pressure there was. Okay, selling pressure. You want, if there is high volume, there is probably big investors going in, institutional investors, and here the volume has gone down a bit. Here there was a lot of volume on the weekly. It's not that easy to see the real volume. Okay, so that's on the daily. Okay, so lots of volume, selling, buy, and there is the shadows here. You can see both sides. It means that this volume hasn't really produced a change because it was buying and selling simultaneously. Some people were buying and selling, so the price got stuck. Okay, so there is various line you can draw on one side, on the other. This is Fibonacci channel, trend line, and so on, Gantt circle, and Helio waves 1, 2, 3. We will touch on that later. Helio wave, these are to go up. These are the five, and then 3 they are usually a retracement from the, not necessarily the file they are up, it could be down, and then this one ABC is a retracement. I will show you later. Okay, so guys, get custom with this, play with it, and then we will have another round when we go